In this lesson, we'll look at forms, form controls, and Activex controls. These are objects and tools that you can use to help you with various data tasks, such as creating dashboards. Generally speaking, you can use forms in any way that you can think of. VBA is the backbone of the operations of the form, and thus anything you can do with VBA, the form will be able to replicate. Having the form there, however, gives you a couple of options that you can work with, such as entering user data. Let us take a look at creating a form and the form control toolbox. In order to insert a user form, we must go to the current VBA project we're using. Right-click, insert, and then click user form. We are then provided the above, a blank form and the toolbox with its Activex controls, going from top left to right. The select tool is the basic pointer that you're familiar with. Use it to select objects and navigate menus. The label tool is used to create text labels within the form. The text box tool creates a text box that allows the user to input characters into. The list box tool creates a box which holds a list of values that are scrollable. The checkbox creates a box that holds a Boolean value, either true or false. You can check the box to change the value. The option button creates an option button. You have a multiple option button. If you have multiple option buttons, values will change accordingly. You can only hold one with a true value at any time on one form. The toggle switch toggles between off and on and holds a Boolean value similar to a checkbox. The frame tool creates a frame within the form, and this essentially is a border with a title. Command button creates a button that can be clicked or triggered. Tab strip generates the ability to switch between tabs. Multi-page provides your form with multiple pages to swap through. Scroll button creates a scrollable button. And with these controls, you can create any number of forms that allow you to display, input, store, or otherwise manipulate your data.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.